Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today I will show you how to install and configure Back-drop CMS on CentOS 8.1. Back-drop CMS is a full-featured CMS tool which is used to creating all kind of web-based content including sites, blogs, image galleries, social networks and more. It is very simple to use that user with minimal technical knowledge can easily create a web content using this CMS tool. This tutorial covers the installation of Back-drop CMS on CentOS 8.1. So now let's proceed for the installation process. First we check here the installed version of OS on my machine. It's 8.1 version. Now download the latest version of Back-drop CMS from its official website. It's downloading. Now it's completed. Now using unzip command, unzip this. It's completed. Now move this Back-drop CMS to Apache root directory. Change ownership for that Back-drop CMS using chown command. Now change permission using chown command. Now create a virtual host for Back-drop CMS using vim. Now provide some content here. Go to insert mode. Create a virtual host. For all IPs address for 80 port. It's completed. Now quit and wait. Write and quit. Now create a database here. Log into MySQL. Give MySQL command. MySQL. Give your password. Now create a database here. Now create user. User created. Now grant all privileges. Now make exit from it. It's completed. Now restart the Apache service. After updating the changes, open your browser and type your domain name there. Choose language. Save and continue. Give your database name. With database username. Database password. Save and continue. Now installing Back-drop CMS. Installation is completed. Now provide your username here. Provide email address. Give password. Set your time zone. Now save and continue. This is your Back-drop CMS dashboard. You install the Back-drop CMS, and this is the method how to install Back-drop CMS on CentOS 8.1. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com. And if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.